Whether you are running a business or you are looking to start a business, it is the ultimate aim of every entrepreneur. Whether established entrepreneur or a new entrepreneur, it is the dream of every entrepreneur to take their business to the new heights. But how many do reach there? According to a survey, only 1% businesses are doing better than others. These businesses are holding 90% of world's business, world's profits, world's wealth. But how do they do it? How do they do it? In this video, we are going to decode that. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can take your business among the top 1% of the businesses in the world. How our clients are doing that successfully. They are building wealth, they are building profitability, they are building scale. And in the end, I'm going to give you a huge surprise. So stay tuned till the end. In any business, there are few things that matter the most. And these things are the GPS of the business. What do I mean by GPS of any business is the growth or scale that you achieve in your business, the profitability that you achieve in your business, and the sustainability, the way you continue taking those things forward in your business is your GPS. If your GPS is proper, if your GPS is on the dot, your business is going to run a well-oiled machine and it is going to keep on growing. However, when we are talking about only 1% businesses reaching at this stage, it means there is some issue. You might be seeing many businesses which are struggling, or even your business might be struggling, or your business might be stagnant at a point, or you might even not be knowing what to do in your business. It is because in your business there is no GPS. Without GPS, there is no guidance towards the aim that you are taking. And how to do it is by using the viable vision, something which we call viable vision, exponential vision, which is going to help take your business to the next level. And we are going to discuss about that also. But there are few things due to which you are not able to have good profits, you are not able to scale your business, you are not able to even sustain that. And there are few things like your competition in your business. If you are thinking about making huge profits, suddenly there will be competition which will come in, and you will have to reduce your margins, you will have to reduce your profitability. Your costs are fluctuating, costs are rising like anything. In the rising costs, to retain your customers, sometimes you might be sacrificing your growth, sometimes you might be sacrificing your profitability, and you might not be able to sustain that profitability for a long period of time. Uncertainty, political uncertainties, there are geopolitical uncertainties, government rules, regulations related uncertainties, and many things are there which hamper your business. Besides that, there is a issue of viability, there is an issue of sustainability. Your business model, your product, your services, is it viable to scale? Is it viable to have more profit? Is there a chance to have more profit? Is there a chance to scale it with profits? Can you do it sustainably? Whether there is sustainability or not, that is also a question. And why this happens is because entrepreneurs are running after new customers. Whenever you talk about scalability, whenever you talk about profitability, the first thing which will come into your mind is, I will have to grow my sales, I will have to grow my customer base. So what I will do is, I will scale that business, and by that way I'll be bringing in more profits. This approach seldom works. And while chasing the scale, sometimes you are foregoing your profitability. Your profit margins, in terms of absolute amount, it is rising, but your profit percentage is decreasing, and you even don't realize it because your focus is too narrow on scale only. You are not focused on sustainability, and you are not focused on profits. Inconsistency, sometimes it leads to inconsistency. Sometimes your profits are high, sometimes your profits are low, sometimes you are scaling, sometimes you are not scaling. Too much focus on reducing cost, and at what cost, right? You are reducing cost at what cost? At the cost of the quality that you are providing to your customers, your clients, at the cost of profits, at the cost of your customers, at the cost of your viability even. And the biggest culprit is your business model. When your business model is not such that it helps you in keeping your GPS straight, your growth, your scale, your profitability, your sustainability, then it hampers your business and you are not able to scale to the level where top 1% of businesses are standing proudly. What we help our clients with is these things only. How to have a business model, how to have strategies that help you create exponential profit, exponential scale, exponential sustainability, despite any geopolitical situation, despite any cultural shifts, despite any cost shifts. Imagine what will it do to your business. The biggest issue is that we are going to discuss today is profits. Generally, we attach profits with pricing or number of customers that we are going to bring in. However, in your business, if you want to attain profitability, what you will have to focus on is the value chain, the kind of value that you are providing to your clients. So today we are going to focus more on the profitability and how that profitability is attached to value. Let us understand that whenever you are selling something to your customers, whether it can be a product, it can be a service, whatever that you are providing or offering to your clients, there are two things attached with it. One is the profit and another is the value that you are providing. The other thing is the value that your clients are getting. If you put those things in on axis, the lowest half looks like this, wherein you are making low profits and your customers are getting low value. There are many FMCG and packaged food products wherein customer gets the lowest value, and even customers know that, but they are purchasing it because they are having some urgent needs. Customers are not getting value and even you are not getting profit. It becomes constant struggle zone for you because your customers are not getting any value out of it. Your customers are running away from you and you are just always chasing your customers. You are reducing your prices like anything. So neither your customer gets any value out of it nor you are getting any profits out of it. And do you know what is the saddest part? The saddest part is that 80% of entrepreneurs are into this struggle zone today. 80% of the entrepreneurs, they are not making enough profits. And on the other hand, their clients, their customers, they are not getting enough value out of whatever they are offering. And that is why it is a constant tug of war where customer pulls you towards the value and you drop down your costs so that customer forgoes some of the value portion, and it becomes a deadly spiral where your profits are ever hitting ever lowest bottom and your customers, they are indifferent, they are not attached with you. They will buy any alternate product, they will buy any alternate service that the market has to offer. No loyal customers, and this hampers businesses more than anything. On the other end, there are some businesses which provide high value to their customers, but they are making very low profits. These businesses are the businesses where the entrepreneurs, business owners, or management teams, they do not know how to market their product. They do not know how to sell their product. They do not know how to provide, how to make customers feel the value of their product. They have got a loyal customer base. That customer base is attached with them because they are providing high value products, high value services at very low margins. In a way, they don't have to go anywhere to market their products. The customers would come, they are loyal to them, they would buy from them. But problem is you're not making enough money. Just your aversion to go for sales, take on the marketing activity on a big way, keeps you in a long-term survival zone because every day you are surviving. Every day what you are doing is just surviving. 10% of entrepreneurs are here. You can see here is 90% of businesses, they are not making enough profits. But there is a gray area. In that gray area, some entrepreneurs are making high profits. They are making very high profits, but they are providing very low value to their customers. There are around 9% of the businesses, as per the research, which are doing these things. They are not providing any value to their customers just by the marketing and creating scarcity of their products, creating scarcity in the minds of their clients about their products, their services. These people, what they are running is not a business, they are running scam. This comprises the 99% of the entrepreneurs, wherein either customer doesn't get value or you are not getting profits. What 1% do is they are bringing in high profits for themselves. With that, they are providing high value to their clients. And these are the top 1% of the entrepreneurs who are having their GPS, their growth, their scale is there, they are making profits and they are making sustainable profits. This is the cream of the entrepreneurs. These people, they are building wealth, they are creating jobs, they are making this earth a better place only because they are earning very high profits and they are providing very high value to their clients. And as I discussed with you, how you can do this, if you want to increase your profits, you will have to bring your mom with you. Yes, you heard right, because mom protects you from everything. Just the way in your business, the business's mom will protect you. What is the mom of your business? It is your marketing, it is your operational excellence, and it is your manpower. If you use these three things right, you will be able to generate great profits with great value to the clients. It will be sustainable, as well as you will be able to scale your business to the new heights. And how you can do is with the viable vision. You can call it exponential vision, viable vision. See, it is the set of the processes which helps you in building your marketing, taking your marketing to the next level, your operational excellence to next level, your teams to next level, your strategies to next level. This is the answer to all. And if you are really interested in taking your business to top 1%, wherein I will be showing you true stories of my clients who have achieved this, including one of India's largest corporates, which are our client, I'll be able to show you how you can also take your business from a place where you are into constant struggle, you are constantly running after your customers, your clients are not getting any value, to a place where you are earning like top 1%. You would also like to take your business to that level. What I want you to do is, I want you to like this video, share this video, and comment below. I'll be sharing with you. If you are commenting below with your business details, or even if you are saying you are interested in learning how these things work practically, I'll be more than happy to share with you one of the exclusive webinars that we are going to do in few days. So what I want you to do is, I want you to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll be meeting you in the webinar where I'll be teaching you how that viable vision practically works in your business.